had issues. It was a head-on collision. We had issues with our health, and when you have to work, which most of us do for a living, and you have all the pain, which is due from the accident itself, it gets pretty intolerable some days.
My life before Magic Fingers was not good. I'd been to doctors, chiropractors, NUCCA. I'd spent a ton of money on sleeping aids. My hip hurt, my leg hurt, my foot hurt. I bought foot lifts for $176. I had more sleeping medicine than anybody. Nothing worked, and I was sick every single day. I was kind of desperate, and I went to see a reflexologist, and she told me, you need to see
first when you start learning about NUCCA itself, the adjustment, sometimes you wonder if any adjustment or anything is occurring, but a few minutes later, half an hour or so, you can feel where the adjustment has been made. And so after you get more accustomed to the NUCCA procedure, you learn more about what's happening and what's going on and how the adjustment is being done.
I had my first adjustment, which I didn't feel anything. I went home and I said to Bill, I said, you know, I just got scammed. But guess what? That night I slept.
After the adjustments, I started feeling better. I started getting better color, and I started, my skin changed, the softness changed and stuff in my skin. I mean, it does a lot of different things to your whole system. That's what it does.
August, September, October, November, life was real good. Then a bowl fell on my head, and I came back in. I knew I was out of adjustment. My hip started to hurt again. And it didn't get fixed right away like the other one did. So I came back again, and then it still wasn't right. And I told my friends, I said, it's not working. My hip still hurts, now I'm not sleeping again. And they said, well, go to a different doctor. I said, no, I believe in Dr. Shallow. So I came back, and he re-x-rayed me, and he had to do a different adjustment. My life now is good. I'm not sick anymore. I used to have a bladder infection once a month for a couple years. They couldn't figure out what it was. I haven't had one since. I can't even tell you how much better I feel. My blood pressure used to be about 146 over 70 or 80, 150 over something. Now it's 120 over 73. I call him Magic Fingers.
It gives you quality of life, so we're very thankful